759, Bombs for Josh, part 69. Let's get into it. So in the ArtGirl shader strings within shader source fragment number 8, which is the Bombs for Josh shader, inside the main entry point of the Bombs for Josh shader, we have this section that is the relocated stolen graph paper section, right? So we are at the ambush zone, which is where we took the code from the crime scene. Okay, so down here, let's look at what we've changed in here. So we have this section called Stolen Goods for Ransom, aka Stolen Graph Paper here. And inside of this section, we've changed how we are rendering the grid lines. So if the bit is turned on for the 9x9 Ian's tile that is used to draw our graph paper grid, then we are drawing white lines. And or we should say white pixels. And then if the bit of our Ian's graphic is turned off, then we're drawing black lines. And now we want to change how we're going to draw those black grid lines. So I've labeled this section Draw Grid Line. And if there is a glass panel in front of the graph paper, right? So GP4 is greater than or equal to 1. The graph paper enumeration 0, 1, 2, or 3 inclusive, and 0 means there's no graph. There's no 0 means there's no glass panel in there, right? If there's a motherfucking glass panel there, we're gonna render with light gray. Okay. If there's not a glass panel there, we're going to render in the normal way we were doing the whole time, right? With just solid black lines. So now the lines of the glass panel frames, the black lines of the glass panes is no longer going to conflict with the lines of the graph paper because we're going to lighten up the graph paper lines if we're laying down a transparent glass panel. That's all we fucking did. So if you want a longer explanation, which I don't know why you would, you can have it. It's here. You are on this playlist here. Source code is not here. This is the technical demos. I'm tired. Source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me. I'm fucking out of here. I'm very tired. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. It's called Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game. I'm writing the server code as well. I'm just writing it all. And I'm open sourcing it, and I'm documenting every single fucking line of code. Like and subscribe if you want to see how to make a game engine.